Hello students, welcome to the physics classes by Poonam Taneja. I am here to deal with some numericals that were based on our previous video. In previous video I have found out electric field due to a dipole that is known as dipole field. And for a short dipole the result were for a point lying on axial line the result was E that is equal to 2p upon 4 pi epsilon naught r cube. P cap means the direction of electric field is along the direction of dipole moment vector. Okay, for the second case, that is a point that is lying on equatorial line, the electric field formula is given by P upon 4 pi epsilon naught r cube. Here it was 2p, now it is P, and the direction of electric field is opposite to the direction of dipole moment vector. We have derived these two expressions. So there are two important questions to be considered. What is the ratio of E equatorial upon E axial for a short dipole or for a dipole? Means dipole एक है, उसके लिए अगर हम कहें let 2a be the length and at a distance r we have to find out electric field. First, for the same distance we are finding electric field at a point on equatorial, and then for the second case axial we have to divide these to get result. So putting directly the formulas, equatorial is with the formula P upon 4 pi epsilon naught r cube and axial with the formula 2p upon 4 pi epsilon naught r cube. Cancelling these two, P with P, ratio is 1:2. 1:2 means what? E equatorial up ratio E axial. The answer is 1:2. That is important question to be noted. If I am asking you E axial upon E equatorial, as the result will be reciprocal of this, it means 2:1. Next question is what is the angle between E vector and P vector? इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड और डाइपोल मोमेंट वेक्टर में क्या एंगल है for axial case? As I have told you that for axial case E vector is along P vector. Along means they are along the same direction, so theta will be 0 degree. And for equatorial means what? In which we are getting the result with minus p, it means they are in opposite direction, so theta will be 180 degree in this case. Okay, now numerical is given in your NCERT solved example that there are two charges minus 10 microcoulomb and plus 10 microcoulomb. The length of the dipole is given to you 10 raised to power minus 8 meter, and we have to find out the value of electric field at a point on axial line as well another point on equatorial line. Both are at the same distance from the center of dipole, that is 15 centimeter. This numerical is solved in your NCERT, so instead of doing the same I am giving you two more examples to discuss the same topic. So first one is 2 point charges 0.2 microcoulomb each. 0.2 microcoulomb each. 0.2 microcoulomb each. First one is negative, second one is positive because they are forming a dipole. अगर वो dipole बना रहे हैं तो it means क्या है, वो एक negative charge possess करेंगे, एक negative polarity and the second one will be of the positive polarity, and they are separated by the distance. It means separation means length of dipole that is given to 2a 10 raised to power minus 8 meter. Okay, now we have to find out the electric field at a point on axial. It means E axial is to be determined, which is at a distance of 0.1 meter from midpoint. From this midpoint there is a point to be considered that is at a distance of 0.1 meter. We have to find out value of electric field at this point. Okay, for the value of electric field we know the result is 2p upon 4 pi epsilon naught r cube. What is p? P dipole moment, and dipole moment is equal to product of either charge q into length of dipole, that is 2a upon 4 pi epsilon naught r cube. Substituting the value, what is q? Q is charge and its value is given to you 0.2 microcoulomb. It means 0.2 microcoulomb. 2 into 10 raised to power minus 6 for micro, and for this decimal minus 1 more, overall 10 raised to power minus 7 meter. So I am substituting here Q, 2 into 10 raised to power minus 7 meter. Q, now 2 into A. 2A is the length of dipole, that is 10 raised to power minus 8. Upon में 4 pi epsilon naught, its value is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught equals to 9 into 10 raised to the power 9. Okay, so it is 9 into 10 raised to power 9. Upon में r cube, r is the separation. What is given to us? 0.1. 0.1 means that is equal to 10 raised to power minus 1 meter. Okay, so 10 raised to power minus 1 whole cube. Okay, you can substitute various values, dipole moment, 4 pi epsilon naught, separation, so as to find the result, and you can calculate it so as to find the final value of electric field at a point lying on axial one. For the second case, E equatorial, the numerical statement is we have to find out the value of electric field due to a dipole. That's length of dipole is 10 centimeter. It means the separation between these two charges is given to be 10 centimeter. 10 centimeter means length of dipole, and each charge is 100 microcoulomb. Opposite polarity, because for the formation of dipole plus minus charge is required, so it is plus minus 100 microcoulomb. We have to find out electric field at a point that is 20 centimeter from सेंटर ऑफ डाइपोल. डाइपोल के सेंटर से अब हमें क्या करना है, इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड फाइंड आउट करनी है एट अ डिस्टेंस ऑफ 20 सेंटीमीटर. नाउ यू हैव टू नोट दैट द लेंथ ऑफ डाइपोल इज 10 centimeter and the point that is lying on this equatorial, in either direction we can consider. So let us say the point is at a distance of 20 centimeter. Okay, in downward direction. Let us say we want to find out the value of electric field at this point. 10 centimeter and 20 centimeter, if we compare, then 10 centimeter is not too short, so not a case of short dipole. But in the last numerical we have used the case of short dipole, because length of dipole was given to us, that is 10 raised to power minus 8 meter, very small, and the separation was given to us 0.1 meter, which is very large. Okay, so in that numerical we have used the result of short dipole, but not we will consider here. So what is the value of electric field at a point on equatorial? That is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught into P upon r square plus a square whole raised to the power 3 by 2. What is P? P equals Q into 2a. What is R? R is 20 centimeter. It can be written as 0.2 मीटर, और अगर हम मैथमेटिकली और कन्वीनियंट फॉर्म में लिखना चाहते देन वी कैन आल्सो राइट 2 into 10 raised to power minus 1 meter. So here 2 into 10 raised to power minus 1, that is 0.2. What is A? A is 2A is 10 centimeter. Then what will be the value of A? A is 0.5 centimeter. Okay friends, so now let's substitute the values of various terms. 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught, 9 into 10 raised to power 9. What is the value of Q into 2a? Q is given to us 100 microcoulomb and 2a is 10 centimeter. Q into 2a 100 microcoulomb. Okay, and 2 into a, that is the length of dipole, that is 10 centimeter. 10 centimeter means 0.1, or I may mention here 10 raised to power minus 1. R square, R is having value 2 into 10 raised to power minus 1, and A is 0.5. So point 2 I am mentioning, point 5 I am mentioning, it will be point 2 square plus point 5 square whole raised to the power 3 by 2. Now you can find out the result doing calculation, but I have to make it clear then in which case you have to apply the formula of short dipole. If the length of dipole is very small than that of the point which is located at a larger distance. But for this case the length of dipole is 10 centimeter and point to be estimated is 20 centimeter, so it is not the case of short dipole. You have to apply the result. Okay, so you have to learn the results for your numerical solution. In my next video I will be with my new topic, that is torque acting on a dipole in uniform electric field. Thank you, have a nice day.